Lyft, just get rid of this once and for all. So first off, for those of you that aren't familiar with this, for years now, Lyft has had an automatic ride switch feature within their driver app. This feature automatically switches you from the ride that you have currently accepted. The ride that you have currently accepted, you have seen the upfront details to. You know how much you're getting paid. You know where you're going. And instead, you're automatically switched to a ride that you have had no chance to look at the upfront details to. You have no active choice in selecting that ride. Under the upfront pricing model, this makes zero sense at all. We accept rides based on the upfront details. Back before upfront pricing, this automatic ride switching made a lot more sense. Back then, we were paid based on per mile per minute rates, so the pay was standard across all rides. And a lot of those auto switched rides were nearby rides, so you had less distance to travel to pick up the passenger. This was better for drivers. And back then, under time and distance rates, when accepting requests, we only knew where the passenger's pickup location was. We didn't know where they were going. On most rides, we were accepting those requests based on how far away the passenger was. So the shorter that pickup distance, the better, and we knew once we picked that passenger up, we were going to get paid on a per mile per minute basis to the drop-off location. I believe this auto switch feature was originally implemented to make the system as efficient as possible, match drivers with the nearest request. Now under upfront pricing, that pickup distance might not matter anymore. We accept rides based on the upfront details, how much we're going to get paid, where we're going, what type of trip that might be. It might be a longer trip that we're looking for. It might be a shorter trip that we're looking for to try and maximize a bonus. All right, so we have talked about this on the channel, especially under upfront pricing. Over the last year, we made a video and talked a lot on the channel about how this auto switch should go away, especially under the upfront pricing model. For months it still hung around, and then eventually, seemingly, it disappeared. So Lyft seemed to be listening. And then about a month ago, I saw this in the driver app. There's the ride switches option. You now have the option to be automatically switched to another ride if you'd like. Under the upfront model, who would want to select this option? Why would you want to be automatically switched to a ride that you have no idea where it's going or how much you're getting paid? Lyft, I appreciate that you're actually giving drivers the option now instead of just automatically switching all drivers to random rides, but even this option does not need to exist. Under the upfront model, we want to look at the upfront details. We don't want to be automatically switched to a ride that we haven't seen those upfront details to. Now, I believe this option defaults to being off, but for those of you that want to make sure, all you need to do is go to the driving preferences area of the Lyft driver app. In the middle of the screen there, you'll see ride switches. You select that, and you'll see whether this is toggled on or off. And I feel all drivers under the upfront model will want this toggled off. Lyft, just get rid of this option altogether, please. Under the upfront model, drivers do not want this. But what about all of you? Did you know that this option was in the driver app now? Has yours maybe been toggled on and you've been automatically switched to rides in recent months? Again, you have the option now to turn this off, but these auto ride switches under the upfront model should go away altogether. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.